Hi guys, here's how you can upscale images using Gemini. Now this is a sample image we will be using. We downloaded it from Pixabay. So you can see the image. It's 100% and the image size is very small. Now open Gemini. This is a free version. Let's upload the image. So here's a sample image. And all you have to do is type upscale 100x and enter. And Gemini will upscale the image. So here's the image. Let's quickly download it. Show in folder. I'll put the image to desktop so we can compare. So here's the Gemini image. So you can see the size has almost doubled. And here is the original image. So please do give it a try. Thank you very much.